Before we get into this main video, it's important everyone knows our story. Dad has a 1940 bag Chevy panel van that we've all been restoring for about 2 years. We occasionally stay overnight to get more progress while also saving gas. Around 9 p.m., Jonathan and I head out to Dad's car to gather our cots using the same path we always take. As soon as we get to the sidewalk, I checked across, seeing a black truck just turning off of Highway 395. Knowing there's enough distance, we cross, but by the time we get to the other side, this truck is already passing us and noticeably slows down and then stops. At this point, I already suspect something suspicious, so I watch the truck as Jonathan unlocks and opens the front door and then the back door. The truck begins backing up and turns towards us. I already figured he was a cop before he puts his blinding spotlight in our face. He starts with the "How are you?" and this is where it all begins.
Good. What are you guys doing? Is this your vehicle?
Father's.
Do you guys have your IDs on you?
No.
Not at all?
Yeah. Tell us what we did wrong?
Yeah, you're in a business area. And it's
Part of
all
business?
closed, and I don't know this is your dad's vehicle. Actually, why don't you have a seat? Have a seat right here.
Oh, the door open? Actually.
Have a seat.
Sorry, I don't listen to you.
Have a seat. 318, can I get a second? You have a seat right here.
Don't touch me.
Have a fucking
Don't fucking touch it. Get the fuck off me! What the fuck?
10-10.
Dad, there's a fucking cop on me. Get him off!
I said get on the ground. Alright?
There's a cop on me. Get him off! You're choking me! Get him off! Jonathan, record this shit!
I said get on the ground. I don't know what you're doing.
What did I
Have
do
a seat
wrong?
on the ground right now.
What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Is your camera on?
Yeah, it's on.
Get the fuck off of me! Ow! You fucking get off!
Leo, roll on your stomach.
No! I'm not listening to you! Get the fuck off of me! Start recording. End the call.
318.
End the call, start recording, please. End the call, start recording.
Get another unit.
Your ID number. Give me your fucking ID number. Where's the sheriff?
Stay right there.
Get the fuck off of me! Ah, motherfucker!
Get
Ow!
on the ground.
Why?
Because I said.
911.
What did we do wrong?
I told you what.
What's the charge?
What's the charge? Get the fuck off! You're
Did you
hurting
take an
me!
oath to the Constitution? Because I did. I'm just wondering that, like, I'm a
Am
veteran.
I under arrest? Tell me, am I under arrest?
You're being detained.
Over what? Over what? Fucking pathetic. I hope you lose your job over this, seriously. I hope you do.
We're here. We're allowed to be here.
I don't know that.
We're working on a car.
I don't.
That's my car.
Hey!
That's my car.
I don't know this is your car. It looked like somebody was breaking into your car. I did.
That's your action? No probable cause? No investigation? Just put him down?
Just gonna straight jump up on me, huh? Real gang member, huh? Real big man, huh?
Have the shop behind Douglas Radiator.
The fuck off of me!
I don't know that.
Lose your fucking job!
Calling you.
Okay, well, I'll wait till my partners get here until we get
Get the fuck off of me!
You have no reason. You have no probable cause.
I do.
Over what? Say it! Say your legal probable cause! Your legal probable
right
cause!
They have keys to the car. Dumbass.
The fuck off of me!
Recording?
I'm recording, yeah.
How far are the units out?
Fucking that's who you are.
It's like you never read the Constitution, man.
I hope you lose your job.
Keys move.
Big fun and lose your fucking job.
What's up, tyrant?
Yeah, put the light on
It's like,
camera, go ahead.
do they teach you
Saw your
this in
face
the
already,
academy?
got it,
Like,
don't worry.
Is that
Want
what
your ID
goes
number?
down in the
You're
academy?
legally required. Give me your ID. Just give me your ID. Run.
One from the station and one.
You keep fucking putting
I
pressure on
mean,
me.
it'd be nice to get the badge number or something.
Yeah, badge number.
That'd
You're
be
legally
great.
fucking. Ah, motherfucker, quit touching my fucking hand!
Roll over to your stomach.
No, fuck you, I'm not listening to you. Why would I listen to you? Oh yeah, you have a face too. Yeah, you're a real big fucking man. You're a fucking douche, dude. You got no fucking nut.
tough guy.
You're a fucking piece of shit pig. I hope you know that. I didn't do shit.
102 en route from 395 and 90.
Keys to the car, dumbass.
I asked him his name. He didn't want to give it to me.
Legally don't require
You
to.
don't have to, man. This is America.
I don't know that.
Called you in an investigation.
Oh,
A
you're
real
SWAT
one. Not this
too?
shit.
You're SWAT?
I hope you lose your job. Big old fine. Hope your family gets all fucked over. You're a real big fucking man, huh?
You have to get some backup here for somebody who's got the keys. You're gonna find out whose car it is.
Okay, well then that's all I wanted to do.
Lose your goddamn job.
I wanted to. I wanted to.
Get the fuck up and quit calling me. I ain't doing shit to you.
Stop.
I ain't doing shit to you. I am to myself. My hands are to my goddamn self. You are hurting me.
I'm not even on you.
You are fucking twisting my hand backwards. My hand does not twist that way.
But you know this.
Yeah, that's you right fucking there. It'll get posted everywhere. You'll lose your fucking job. I hope so. Fucking yeah, put your knee on me. Tyrant piece of shit. Fucking communist. Hey, hear that? Chill out with him. Get the fuck off of me. Get the fuck off of me.
302 and 103.
Low life scum piece of
What do
shit.
you got? Put him in handcuffs. Him? Hit this guy right
Hey,
here.
over what? Over what? What'd I do? Over what?
Hey, don't move.
What did I do?
Let me get his hand. I got his hand. I got his hand. I got his hand.
Okay, you ain't gonna listen.
He's not relaxed.
Well, did you fight him?
No.
All right,
He
well,
just
stay.
went up and booked him.
Give me your other hand. Give me your other hand. Give me your other hand.
You break my phone, you're paying for it.
Give me your hand.
I ain't doing shit to you.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Big man, come on. Oh yeah,
Hey, how about you just listen and put your hand behind your back, you dumbass?
Hey, you're the fucking dumbass. You're the one breaking the law right now.
Well, we don't know that,
You're
do
breaking the
we?
law right now.
You good?
What's your fucking reasonable articulate suspicion? What is
Well,
your what is it?
You're in a black parking lot underneath a car.
Underneath
in
the
a
car, you
closed
fucking got in the
business.
car. We're
Oh,
inside.
you?
He told you exactly
I
what
thought
we're
that
doing.
was his.
Thank you.
I hope all of you lose your fucking job over nothing. Over nothing.
Stand up.
I'm not doing shit for you.
I'm not doing shit for you. Stand
Yeah,
up.
look at how
Just
fucking
leave him
big
on the
man
table.
you are. Big man! You're all fucking low! You're all fucking low!
And by the way, I have a spell W, and it's on the fucking side of me. So don't worry. Oh, now you're gonna come bully me. Don't grab my fingers. I'm got the face. Put your hands up. What do you want? He's over here wrapping my fingers up like a punk bully.
They're all bullies!
Doing the same shit.
They're all big gangsters, they don't think they're fucking good! Big criminals over here, all of you!
Welcome to Gardnerville.
Yeah, welcome to Gardnerville, Douglas fucking County! Where do you want me to sit? Instead of yanking me around, where do you want me to sit?
Is this you?
No, Sam.
That's mine. Is it broken? Is it broken? Who's gonna pay for it? Oh, if all you lose your fucking jobs over this. I'm sorry, Dad.
This way.
None of this was meant to be. Over some punk ass motherfuckers.
Tyrant.
Phone's here.
Tyrant!
Alright, cool. Thank you. You got anything on you that's gonna poke me?
If you guys ever listen, then you shut the fuck up. You ain't shit. You got nothing, you big guy. Above the law. Constitution. That's fucking wrong with me, you piece of shit. Fucking
You're going to jail.
I'm going to jail over what? Over what? I'm going to jail over what?
Obstruction.
Obstruction. No, do your job. Where is your boss? Who's the one on strike? Who's the one out? Where?
Sergeant, now!
Where's the sergeant now? Which one's the sergeant? Not you. Not you over there, big boy. Not you. Where's the sergeant?
So they can make a law about the You already came over here twisting me up and putting the same bullshit you did with my son, you tyrant!
I wasn't doing that, you tyrant.
Oh yeah, I'm the tyrant.
2105,
What's your dad's name?
Of course you didn't, because you're
Did you
ignorant.
run the plate already?
I haven't run anything. I just drove by and I saw two guys going to the back door. So I contacted him and he was cooperative, asked him what his name was. He told me to fuck off.
He was going in this back door here?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, the car?
So I told him to come have a seat. He came over and stood over
This is
there.
Timmy's shop.
This, yeah, it's Timmy's
This is
shop.
Timmy's
Yeah,
shop.
I'll call him here in a
Yeah.
second.
My tyrants!
What's your name? What's your dad's name? Who is that? Is that your brother then?
Helping them work on a vehicle.
Let's go back and see what happened. I got
It's my car, tyrants!
Well, we don't know that, do we?
Come over and handcuff me, because it's
What do you
my
wanna do with
car,
him?
tyrant! Come
What do you want
on!
to do with them?
Hey, it's my car.
I don't know that.
Why don't you do the research instead of wrapping him up?
I asked them who they were and I asked for their IDs.
And what'd they say?
Fuck you. I don't need to listen
Well,
to
I
you.
don't. He's a smartass like that, but you have no. You didn't see a crime. You didn't see a crime yet.
I did. Yes,
Where? No, you didn't. It's my car.
I don't know that! You want to be
Yeah.
a fucking tough guy?
My hands are right here. Go ahead.
Put your hand. You want to detain him?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead, because we're gonna get through all this. And by the way, I have a CCW.
Do you have a gun on
the
you?
fucking
Hold him
side
right
of me.
there.
So don't fight. Oh, now you're gonna come bully me.
Don't grab my fingers. Stop it. Hey, put your hands back here.
What do you want? He's over here wrapping my fingers.
We're
up
gonna
like a
detain you.
bully.
We're going to detain
Now
you.
he's doing the same shit he did to my son. Go ahead.
Got him.
You feel safer now?
Where's the gun?
On the
Where's the-
on the fucking right side.
I got it. I got a gun here. Catch it. Get on here. Stay right there.
Yeah. Tyrants.
You live here?
I have the shop, if you're listening for the fourth time,
I
behind
wasn't fucking here.
behind. I was told you when I came up screaming at
Shut
you
up.
because you're overreacting.
Oh yeah, you're a big guy, huh?
You guys all think you're big guys. Follow the law. Constitution.
You just
There you go.
you violated our shit.
Stop watching YouTube, okay?
What? Stop listening to your fucking commander? Why don't you push me up against the truck, bully?
I'm detaining you.
Oh,
You're
'cause I
detained.
was putting up a fight, right?
Well, you have a gun on you and you're acting up.
I have a CCW.
It doesn't matter, but your
Run the
demeanor.
fucking
You
plates
see what you
and
mean? Your
shut up.
demeanor.
Shut up and do your job and run the plates.
Where is your boss?
Yeah, what? Yeah, exactly. I want badge numbers. I want
There goes the
ID,
TV.
and I want your sergeant now.
Where's the sergeant now? Which one's your sergeant? Not you. Not you over there, big boy. Not you. Where's the sergeant?
They're getting their bedding so they can make a fucking bed in the loft out of my car. My son.
Relax, okay?
You're not.
I'm relaxed. I'm just holding you here for now because you're acting up, okay?
You already came over here twisting me up and played
No.
the same bullshit you
No,
did
I
with
wasn't
my
twisting up.
son, you tyrant.
I wasn't doing that, you tyrant.
Oh yeah, I'm the tyrant.
Yeah, you are.
As my kid calls me screaming on the ground.
I didn't know that, okay?
Of course you didn't, because you're ignorant.
Well, I just got on scene trying to find out what's going on and you're acting up like this, okay?
Yeah, because you're way past your fucking point. You know you stepped out.
Like I said, you are detained for now.
Yeah, I know, for no reason. No probable cause.
Yes, there is.
What, for me yelling? I have a fucking no First Amendment? Huh, tyrant?
You can talk, but when you're acting like this, it gives us,
Dude, you shut up.
for our safety.
You say nothing. I never gave you any probable cause for any of this.
Oh, there goes that. That's that. Hey,
You was too
is this car open so we can stuff him in there? Is this car? This truck?
Please, don't you need my ID first?
Hey, Holdridge. You want to put him in your car for now? You want to put him in your car for now, or just leave him out here?
Your name?
Mike Simons, run the plate, please.
Alright, are you gonna listen to me?
I don't know.
So if I'm a cop, I am. I'm driving by. Your car's right there. I see two guys getting in the back door.
Getting their stuff.
I contact them to see if they're.
stuff.
Would you shut the fuck up?
No, please, please.
I'm trying to explain where I'm coming from.
I got it.
I don't know that's your car.
All I had to do was light him up and ask him.
I did.
And stay right here.
I did.
Have him call his
That
father.
kid that's on the ground right there fucking sat down like I
Yeah,
asked because I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
He's a veteran. Of course he's going to be a little bit more
The other
compliant.
kid told me to fuck off.
Yeah.
So what's that make me think? Does that make it think
Doesn't
that's
make
your car?
you any fucking reason to slam him on the ground.
I
and
asked him to have a
this.
seat.
Yeah.
I don't know if he's breaking into your car.
You know what unlawful order is? Especially when you don't have probable cause.
That is probable cause. You fucking dumb fuck.
Dumb fuck.
Do you want to have a seat on the bumper?
Sure.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sure.
Have a seat.
Absolutely.
Now that you calm down, we can have
I'm
an
not
adult
ecstatic.
conversation. Huh?
I just went with the fucking scene. And the scene was he was overbearing with it.
Well, there was a lot that was going on. He didn't know, okay?
If his camera's on, just watch it.
Okay, yeah. We'll watch it.
As soon as he came up, he started twisting me. As soon as you had that other hand, he starts twisting me. Of course, I grab fingers because he's sitting there twisting up.
Well, I
And when I wasn't resisting.
Well, you were grabbing my fingers, and that's not normal.
Yeah, I'm being twisted. It's not twisted. I'm not. I've never been arrested. I normally don't get twisted up.
You're not arrested.
By people who just show up, pull up, and then instantly violate my rights.
What's your name, sir?
Mike Simons.
Okay,
Already
Mike.
told you this.
You were talking to him, Mike. My name is Deputy Rodriguez. I didn't know what was going on. We detained you because you were agitated, and plus you had a
I
weapon on
wasn't
you.
swinging, wasn't doing anything.
No, you
I
were
have
high
a
up.
fucking constitutional right to run my mouth.
But we have the right for our
Sure,
safety. For our
sure,
safety.
because, I was pulling everything. Oh, I got a gun here after I told you where it was
Yeah.
and you pulled it out. See,
You
that's
did.
a little overboard.
No.
Yeah.
It's for our safety, okay?
Yeah.
Why do you got to act like this? I'm talking to you like a normal
I'm
adult.
tired of fucking overbearing tyrant police officers. They're just yes men and women. It's annoying.
We're tired of people like you acting like this.
Yeah, after the fact of coming out here, I'm in the shop, I get a call, my kid, I don't even know if it's a cop, I don't know them. I know my kid's being assaulted, that's all I know, so I come out here all ready to go, and it's an officer in front of my car, they have the keys, why didn't he ask for the keys? Do you own the car? Not, hey, identify yourself.
Well, he told my partner
You don't
to
have to identify yourself.
Well,
you do not have to
Yes, you
identify
do.
yourself. Sorry for standing up.
No,
It's
yes, you
just,
do.
it
Looks like someone's stealing the car, rumbling into the car. That is probable
I get
cause.
it. I get that.
Right off the bat.
I
And then
get
he tells
it.
him to fuck off, and that right off the bat, things start
Yeah,
escalating.
it's constitutional right.
To tell him.
Yes.
That he's breaking into
Freedom of
someone's
speech.
car.
To tell an officer when they're in their own car. If he was a criminal
He didn't
officer,
know
he
that.
wouldn't be saying that, would he?
Yes, he would be.
Oh, he'd be saying that. Oh, fuck
Yes.
off, officer. I'm in
Yes.
the car.
Yes.
Wrapping him up like that was not the scene.
I was
watching him twisting him up.
Was he resisting?
I don't know. He's a fellow peckerhead mouth. He's a little tiny guy with a big mouth. My son.
Okay.
Because he knows he's seen enough of this shit, and knows what you guys do, especially when nobody's around. And if you were to investigate, somebody would be asking real questions, not just fuck off. Oh, we'll wrap you up. Isn't that a violation of the First Amendment, buddy? Where's your camera? Isn't that a violation of the First Amendment?
Can we talk like adults? See, you're not talking to me like an adult. So that's why I shut down.
I'm still in pain right now.
You're in pain?
Of course, yeah, of course.
Well, your hand. Let me see if you want to take you out of handcuffs. I'm gonna take you out of handcuffs. Okay?
That's
Can you watch
up
him for
to
a
you
second?
guys.
Can
It's
you
up to you guys. I'm just waiting for a sergeant. Do I see stripes?
Can you stay right there? Do you want me to take him out of handcuffs or no? Not yet. Okay. Have a seat. Just go and lean up against it.
Can I lean against it? Because it kind of hurts with the handcuffs being
lean up
smashed.
against it. There you go.
I did, and it smashed
Are you
in
gonna
my
listen to me and
wrist.
stop interrupting?
Go ahead. Spew your spew.
You're not gonna, you don't care anyways.
It's past the point, isn't it?
So if there was two guys breaking into a car,
I'd want you to wrap them up. But unfortunately, it was my kid that you actually twisted up. Like you came over and twisted my shit up.
I asked him to have a seat on the ground.
Like you came over. That's an unlawful order. He was not doing it.
You're going
Can you
to jail.
see it
You're
from
going to
our?
jail too.
Sure, go ahead. Because I'm stuck here.
Can you hold on? Let's double lock those real quick.
My shop's unlocked. My car's unlocked.
What shop is yours?
Behind Douglas Radiator.
Why is the car parked here then?
Because we get a ticket if you park out in the street.
So if I call Timmy, he's not gonna know he's gonna
Call him.
Well, it's parked on the sidewalk. You can get a ticket for that too.
Yeah, but you can't park it like that. You want me to get his horsepower? It's sitting on the ground.
Oh yeah, it is.
Okay.
It's right there on the card.
Do you have a bag in here? I got it. Now put your glasses in your bag.
The ID is his.
Oh, the ID is his? This one. Okay. Cool.
Is the veteran locked up too?
No.
So he can lock up the shop?
He's sitting there. What's his name?
Jonathan.
Okay. Everything's in here?
30271.
Yeah. So I drive by, I see this kid and that guy getting into the back door of that car. So I turn around and come back. I say, whose car is this? They say, don't worry about it. What did we do wrong? I said, you're in a closed business area. I had to have him come step over here. He stepped over there. This kid was on the tire. I said, hey, come have a seat. He's like, I don't need to fucking listen to you. So I slammed him on the ground. I went to go grab him to pull him over there, and he pulled away, so I put him on the ground. Dad came over and was fucking yelling at me. So I'm taking him for obstructing. I'm gonna take him for obstructing too.
Whose car is it?
I don't know. It's supposedly his.
Did you run the plate?
Who's this dude?
That's that dude. That's son to him. Did he ever give you his name? Oh, he did right here.
Your subject was? Negative, Adam 2.
You want me to take him?
Yeah.
Good call.
Yeah, I'm just gonna drop it off while we're out of town.
All right. He wants you to lock up his shop, okay? Because they're both going to jail
May I ask why?
for obstructing. If they would have done what you did, none of this would have happened.
It's out for your wallet.
Your wallet's right there, man.
I drove by. I drove by. I see two guys getting there.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know.
Kid's a little
And then that kid, what the fuck are you doing?
over-enthusiastic, but yeah.
And I asked him to have a seat. He tells me to fuck off. What do you think's going to happen? I don't know if you guys are breaking into this car or not. All I wanted to do was confirm it was his car. If he would have said, here's my ID, call my dad, I'd have been gone 20 minutes ago. All right. He wants you to lock up the car.
Yeah, that car can't be parked like that. I'll get towed.
Huh? Here, can you put your flashlight on there? Can I go out on the van?
How about what? No. You said 1010?
Yeah.
We just heard how far, where the next units are. I didn't hear 1010.
Yeah.
Did you hear 1010? I know. You got him. What's up? Where's your shop? Just go to his shop. You know where your shop is at?
He said he did have permission?
So after watching my son get tortured and then 55 feet away being arrested for running my mouth, the officer turned off his camera and drove back to the station while texting and driving, where I was stripped of the company logo sweater and stripped down to the in-house skivvies, where I waited in a room until the sergeant we demanded for on scene, which he lied and said we didn't, said I need you to step out and I need to get you dressed, give you your money, and give you your gun back and drive you back to where I interrupted and said, what, your scene? He says he fucked up with me, but then he has to kick my son down the road. So then he charges my son with felony obstruction and a felony resisting and drives us back to, again, like I said, their scene.
So while Dad is paying for the extortion price for my freedom, I'm over getting fingerprinted and my picture taken. And when I say extortion, I mean the desk officer was charging me with felony resisting and obstructing an officer, which later came out in the paperwork to be misdemeanors, and then resisting was magically dropped after paying. It also doesn't seem like they know how to fill out proper paperwork. Deputy Holdridge put in his report, and then the office added their own narrative, which I dubbed with AI voices.
On March 6, 2024, at approximately 2,123 hours, I was patrolling the area of Southgate Drive and Pep Circle, which is an industrial business area, and all business were closed and are only operational during regular hours. All lights in this area are turned off and the area is very dark during nighttime hours. As I was driving by the intersection of Pep Circle and Southgate, I observed two males dressed in black clothing attempting to open the back door of a blue Honda bearing Nevada license plate. The vehicle was parked halfway on the sidewalk and halfway in a landscape planter. It appeared as if the two males were attempting to break into the vehicle because they were removing several items from the back seat of the driver's side door of the vehicle. I contacted both males and asked them what they were doing. Both male subjects advised they were getting belongings from their vehicle, but did not say anything else. I asked if they had any identification. One male subject, Jonathan, advised me he would provide me with his identification. The other male, later identified as Damien, advised he was not doing anything wrong and did not need to provide me with any identification. I advised Damien and Jonathan they needed to have a seat on the sidewalk until I could figure out who the vehicle belonged to and they were not attempting to break into the vehicle. Jonathan complied and had a seat on the sidewalk, but Damien told me he was not doing anything wrong and did not need to provide me his name. Damien also told me to fuck off.
Damien did not verbally provide me with any identifying information, specifically his name.
Damien began to make a telephone call to an unknown person and then began to reach into his sweatshirt.
I radioed for additional officers to assist me, but did not know where they were coming from or how long it would take them to get to me. Damien and Jonathan were unsearched and I did not know if they were armed. Damien refused to provide me his name and disobeyed a lawful order to sit down while I investigate the situation.
I grabbed Damien's right wrist and he began to pull away, so I slammed him into the side of the Honda, then threw him to the ground where I held him until other officers arrived on scene. While holding Damien down on the ground waiting for deputies to arrive on scene, Mike, father of Damien, came out from
an unknown
shop and began yelling at me
and announced he was armed with a gun.
I told Mike to stay back and that Damien was being detained for obstructing because he would not provide any information who the vehicle belonged to. Mike's yelling was escalating the situation, causing Damien to become even more uncooperative.
Additionally, Mike was positioned behind the spotlight of my patrol vehicle, therefore was not visible to me, armed, and was continuing to yell profanities at me.
Mike was detained and I collected the Smith & Wesson as safekeeping. I asked Mike what he would want me to do if I saw someone breaking into his vehicle. Mike told me he would want me to wrap them up. I advised Mike if Damien would have provided me with his identification and cooperated with me until I figured out who the vehicle belonged to, none of this would have happened. Mike agreed. Due to Mike escalating the situation and not obeying my verbal commands of shutting up, I arrested Mike for obstructing. I released Jonathan from the scene. Damien and Mike were transported to the Minot jail where he was booked for obstructing and resisting an officer. After reviewing body cameras, Mike was later released and not charged with obstructing. The Smith & Wesson were also released back to Mike.
After Dad and I get dropped off by the sergeant, we go to set up our cot and try to get some rest. The next day we both go to Carson Valley Medical Center to get checked out. We tell them exactly what happened. While we're in the hospital rooms, Dad gets a call from the captain saying if I wouldn't have said F you, everything would have been fine. Dad's given a wrist brace and I'm told I'm young and spry and get over it, though it's been a year and my wrist's still in pain. On March 12th, we hire an attorney for $2,500. On March 18th, 2024, my first court date, and I see a public pretender. Her or the judge was unaware of my case, so court was pushed to a later date. April 15th, 2024, Dad attempts to file an officer complaint. April 22nd, 2024, we had a follow-up meeting with Sergeant J. Lenz, where he stated Deputy Tyree Holdridge is an exemplary police officer and didn't see excessive force, then continued wasting our time enforcing their cover-up. June 21st, 2024, after Deputy Holdridge lied in court, and my attorney just skimming by with de-escalation policy, the judge said this isn't Russia and acquitted my case. After a year of searching for a lawyer who touched a 1983 case, we've come up with nothing and decided to defend ourselves. However, we are still open to any legitimate assistance. If you're a lawyer interested in this case, please contact us here. Additionally, each video will be posted and linked below, along with a bonus video of a law firm that doesn't fight for you.
Name's Canadian. Name's Canadian. Younger dude. Bit of a constitutionalist. Doesn't like the police. I mean, he's fine. But he's going to be here for obstructing, I believe, is what Tyree hooked him for. I don't know what the second guy Tyree hooked him for. Okay. So, they're both going to be Tyree hooked. Yep. Huh? No, you're good. Go ahead.
Hi, Damien. Alright, go sit up front.
Oh, fuckers. Thanks.